Hi, I'm Dr. Rakesh Nair, knee replacement surgeon from Zen Hospital, Chembur. On World Arthritis Day, I would like to give a few pointers on arthritis. Specifically, if you're looking at COVID related joint pains, which is such a common thing now with patients who are suffering from COVID or who are recovering from COVID. COVID in itself will not cause any arthritis, but all those who are predisposed in terms of joint pains, who had a little joint pains prior to the COVID, these symptoms of pains and aches in the joints will be exaggerated post the COVID. And most of them then end up going to the orthopedic surgeon saying that I have got increase in my pains, what should I do? How do I tackle this post pain which has happened after COVID? The commonest reason why your symptoms are exaggerated after COVID in terms of the joint pains is because of a deficiency state. That is mainly of your calcium, vitamin D, vitamin B12. So you need to get your basic blood reports done of this, and depending on the deficiency state, you need to correct it so that it is on the higher side. Another misnomer is that patients are advised to exercise when there is pain. If there is pain in the joints, without correcting the deficiency state, if you end up exercising, your pains will increase. So what do we do? First, correct the deficiency, whether it's a vitamin D, whether it's a B12 or a calcium deficiency. Subsequently, start with basic stretching exercises. If the basic stretching exercises don't cause pain, you can take the exercises to the next level. And especially if it is the knee joint which is a problem, it is important that you gradually start from static cycling. Like if you are going to the gym, see to that you start with static cycling first, then the cross trainer or the stepper where the leg is still planted firmly on the ground, and lastly the treadmill. The worst thing you could do for your knees in this part is when you would start running or jumping or climbing steps and doing squats and lunges. So on a gradual note, you have to start from stretching to non-weight bearing cardio to weight bearing cardio activities. So understand that post COVID, most of the symptoms will subside over 6 months to 1 year if your dietary deficiencies are taken care of. So it's more about increasing the nutrition in your food than trying to exercise more. Thank you.